At just over 3,000 square feet is this outstanding Regency floor plan, complete with brick and stone accents and a covered front porch. As you make your way past the Texas-sized foyer, you can't help but look and be amazed when you see the luxurious hardwood floors, architectural design, and high vaulted ceilings. The front entrance opens up to a study and large formal dining room for special occasions and dinner parties. As you walk past the formal dining room, you come up to the large living area, which is complete with a custom stone fireplace. Right off the living room, you can find the kitchen of your dreams, equipped with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, large island, and a breakfast nook to get your morning started with style. You'll be amazed when you check out the spacious owner's retreat, which is located right off the living room and formal study. The master bath comes equipped with a walk-in closet, dual vanities, spacious walk-in shower, and a relaxing jetted garden tub. As you make your way up the spiral staircase, you'll notice the tremendous level of design put into this outstanding First Texas floor plan. The game room can be customized with a wet bar, built-in shelving, and offers a wide-open layout. If you're looking for entertainment, look no further. This home comes complete with large theater room with built-in surround sound inputs. The Regency plan also includes a large covered patio that's great for cookouts. We can build this First Texas home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.